another list here.
Okay, yeah, the HTs are not working. So I am in the car and I wasn't sure I was getting out, so, okay. All right, Jerry, I'm ready to go, I hope.
Stand by a little bit. We have about 3 more coming right now, and then maybe there's a break.
I've been running the rail trail, which something I didn't previously do, just because I'm just kind of trying to get some of my running economy back. So I've actually been running the rail trail. You know, I got to go back.
It's a little boring if it's just that, but yeah.
You know the east end of what is it? It's the east end of Rattle Run. Yeah. Stagecoach trail, I guess, or the kebab. Yeah. That end of it.
Susan 3 ECF, net control for the Buckbridge Burn. This is now the 5K run. Yeah. The first wave of 5K runners have started off.
I biked it back in last year. Okay. In the fall. No, it might have been.
The first.
Like January of this year.
Net control, A Station 1.
Okay, go ahead.
Now, I don't have them separated from the first time to the last time, so I can have a raft of numbers for you. I'll let you have what you want. But most everything has been filled in, so most of them are gone past. I see we have at least 3 more coming right now, so stand by a little bit, and I'll just tell you we have them all.
Oh yeah, that's right, I left that there.
The first set of the 5K runners.
Somebody that was running up there recently said, oh, by the way, your backpack is still under that log.
The first set of the 5K runners have left.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
We don't see the 5K runners there yet.
I take it they take a longer path to get over to here.
Well, this is like 9.6 miles, so they'll actually cut off before this, right?
I have no idea.
Yeah. Yeah,
you guys know more about this than I do.
Yeah, no. This is 5K is only 3.1 miles. So,
okay.
So they'll do a quicker loop. They won't.
Control A Station 1.
This is 9.6 miles.
We have a lot on here. It's not going to be practical for me to tell you what I have.
Okay.
Maybe what I don't have would be easier. How about that?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, the ones I don't have checked off so far is 2, 6, 9, 12, 17, 19, 22, 26, 27, 29, 33, 36, 44, 47, 55, 61, 63, 71, 76, 78, 84, 85, 88, 89, 94, 97, 98, 100, 108, 109, 116, 122, 126, 137, 140,
I guess now too, you probably take it out of the shield. Hopefully we're good.
155, 159, 164, 167, 172, 174. They are the ones I do not have checked off.
Okay, thank you. I got those, and they should be along shortly. Hopefully they'll make it before this the next wave of the 5Ks start coming in. Okay, thank you very much. K3Ellen.
I did. Yeah. Yeah, I saw him where he took off with the Weavers.
K3LN and 3LTQ. You can also mark off 55 past aid station 1.
You're in hand?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I grew up with her.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, I'm from Dauphin.
You're from Dauphin?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And the second wave is just starting off now.
Like the
And the others.
thing, I'm like,
Thank you very much. Aid Station 2, do you have anything to report for me yet?
Running out there?
I think from the races out here, probably.
Okay.
And just running around. Do you still live there?
KC3OLO, Aid Station 2. I do have a few here for you.
I lived on Mountain Road So
Okay, go ahead, please.
through Miller Road.
This is just right
The middle house. I think there's like a big chicken there now. It was my mom's house. I saw it.
And 3.
Chicken.
Alright, so far, completely out of the loop, and past the checkpoint here we have 45,
Yeah.
143,
Yeah, so on the Appalachian Trail,
173.
go Miller Road extension.
Currently in the loop, we have 10, 12, 14,
Yeah, which
20,
now, I mean,
63,
property, but
84, 89, 101, 117, 121, and 137.
Literally
Josh, you're going to have to, you don't have them in order, and I have to search for them. So if you could sort of slow down a little bit so I have time to search, it would help me.
Bought the Peregrines.
Yeah, we threw down through the power line.
Sure. Again, the ones that are completely out of the loop and past this checkpoint are numbers 45, number 143, and 173.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. Yeah,
Okay, and you gave me some other numbers. What were they?
I got, with the new ones.
Currently in the loop is number 10, 12,
I mean, I did run a lot
14, 20, 63,
No, I'm good.
84,
No, we're standing and eating.
89, 101, 117,
There's several of them already been through checkpoint too.
121,
Oh, really?
137.
He's named off probably about 10 of them.
Okay, I didn't realize that there was a loop. Okay, you can add those then onto your completely out of the loop. I didn't realize they had to come back to you twice. So at least I'm assuming that's the way it is. They go past you twice.
Out that way.
The 5.0s.
That is correct. And I have also 63 is now out of the loop as well as 101.
Maybe a half hour. I'm guessing. I forget the distance.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought about.
And you say 63, is that correct?
I was going to take and set my
That is
GoPro
correct.
up here, looking down the trail to catch people as they come by.
Okay, that's
Oh, yeah.
interesting because 63 was one of the ones that
Although
they
if it's
didn't
going to
have listed
cooperate,
at,
it's shut off
H
twice on me.
Station
Brand
1.
new.
So 63
Like-
is needed.
I still have the
Okay,
original.
fine. Thank you very
First
much.
one that came out, the silver one.
These are the ones.